Hi, Paul and Stu here from OEM Audio. We're showing you our latest integration kit we've had developed for the Audi range of cars. This unit fits, this is a 2009 Audi A5 and works with Audi's fitted with that MMI system. You can see here it's got all the factory controls. It's still a factory radio, and you can see from our display here, it's still on the factory radio from Japan. It's got a 14 megahertz band expander, so it gets local stations there, and that's all cool. But the car doesn't have the connectivity that people want nowadays. It doesn't have Apple CarPlay or obviously Android Auto fitted to it from standard, let alone wireless Apple CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. But with our kit fitted, very discreetly, you hold the nav button down for 3 seconds, voila, you have, this is my iPhone, wireless CarPlay. Working through the factory controls, you can see here, we can adjust, we can do everything you would expect with your normal Apple or Android Auto experience, all done wirelessly. Your stereo controls still work. You can make a phone call on it. For example, I will say, "Hey Siri, call Rebecca Miles." Still comes through on your center console.
Good morning, OEM Audio.
Hey Rebecca, Paul here. I'm just doing a Bluetooth test.
No problem.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Thank you. See you.
Bye.
Bye. And done. You can access all your Spotify. You can get into all the things you'd normally want to listen to. You can search everything. You can play music. It is all it's all there. And all your files. I won't play any music obviously because of copyright. Everything works brilliantly on the thing, so it's pretty cool. You can go through it, and like I said, it's all wireless. So once you've gone through the initial setup, which takes about a minute, by the time you connect to the factory Bluetooth, you then connect to the wireless control, and you're away, and you've got wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Now, these units are available through us here at OEM Audio. We're at 18 Coleridge Street in Sydenham, where we have been for the last 11 years. You can see us online at oemaudio.co.nz or oemaudio.com.au, or give us a call in New Zealand on 0508 636 283.